How to fix Agoda booking not confirmed. So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Agoda booking not confirmed. So for that, you can start by force closing and reopening the app. You see, when you open your Agoda app and you find some kind of issue going on with the app, you can just simply swipe it off from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to close it completely from a multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next what you can do is contact the Agoda support if force closing the app doesn't work. You can just simply contact the Agoda support. Just head to your Agoda app, then tap on more at the bottom right corner of your screen, then scroll down to Help Center. Now here you can tap Contact Agoda Customer Service and then ask for the particular question. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.